Here are our black cherry tomatoes, and so I'm going to pick a couple of these. They have very interesting coloring. They don't call this Sweet Millions for nothing. Look at all of these green tomatoes on here. We have some that are red, but this is still just completely loaded with tomatoes. It's the third week in September, and it has no indications of it slowing at all. So let me pick a couple of these. They're beautiful and sweet. And over here we have the Princess Yum Yum hybrid. Let me pick a couple of these. This black cherry has a very interesting coloring to it, kind of purplish, a little black, and the inside similarly has a blackish color. Very, very beautiful in my opinion. Next we have the Princess Yum Yum. I love that name. The Princess Yum Yum hybrid. And I can even feel as I'm cutting this, and I cheated because I've eaten these in the past, of course, but the skin is a lot thicker on this Princess Yum Yum than on the other two. And when you cut it in half, you can feel how thick it is compared to the others. Finally, the Sweet Million. A little smaller cherry tomatoes. And there we have it, looking at them cut. Our smack off tasting is rolling to a close. I've really enjoyed this. As my favorite part of this, but let's continue on. So we have the black cherry here, a little bit bigger of a cherry tomato than some. Interesting coloring, really good combination of flavors. Tartness, brightness, sweet, all rolled into one. That's going to be hard to beat. But let's see. Next is the Princess Yum Yum hybrid. Very sweet, more of a single note. Very flavorful, but I have to admit, the skin is a lot thicker than the others, and that's a bit of a turnoff for me. I don't really like thick-skinned cherry tomatoes. But if it had a thin skin, it would be right up there. And finally, last but not least, the Sweet Million FNT hybrid. This is the clear winner on this one. I don't even have to think about it. Very juicy. It explodes into flavor in your mouth. Long finish, nice complexity, tartness, brightness, as well as very, very sweet. This has to be my favorite for this. So this has been fun doing the taste test. We'll get back to the and choose the slicers from the Chef's Choice slicer and also from the commercial and heirloom slicers, and we'll pick the final winner. Who do you think's going to win? Which one do you think's going to win? I'm getting excited. Let's go.